Hey guys, in this video I'll be unboxing the Logitech K480, which is a Bluetooth keyboard and it's a multi-device keyboard, so you can connect multiple number of devices, it being either Windows device, a Mac, either Android or also iOS, and you can connect multiple devices at the same time using Bluetooth. So when it comes to unboxing, firstly opening the box, we are presented with the keyboard itself, pretty straightforward. Taking a look at other contents in the box, we have nothing else except this documentation, which consists of warranty information, and that's all we have inside the box. Here on the keyboard, peeling off this sticker which contains some instructions on how to use this device, and on the right, as you can see here, we have two different buttons to switch between different devices, either PC or Mac. And also on the left here we have a rotating dial, so as I've mentioned earlier, we can connect up to 3 different devices. Here I'm putting my smartphone, so this is how the smartphone houses in the keyboard, and also we can put a tablet. So this is a bigger iPad, so that's the reason why there's no room for you to put a smartphone. And that's all when it comes to the unboxing, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure to hit the like button and also share this video, it will be very helpful. Make sure to follow me on Facebook and Twitter, links will be in this video's description, and definitely make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll be coming out with a review in the next few days, and as always, thanks a lot for watching.